Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how you can earn up to $1,000 each single month through live streaming. What I'm about to show you today is a free way to make money online by live streaming. And the best part about this is that it's completely free and it's worldwide. So no matter where you live, you could be earning a decent income each single month by live streaming, as long as you have an internet connection and either a phone or a computer. The reason I'm making this video is because many people only think about YouTube whenever they talk about earning money online as a content creator. Those people really don't get the unlimited potential of live streaming, as it can bring in more profit than a YouTube channel if done correctly. Another reason why I'm making this video is that it is in fact a lot easier to start a live streaming channel than a YouTube channel. The reason I'm saying this is because you will cut down on the time you waste editing each video and worrying about metadata. And let's not even talk about promoting your videos. So that is why I believe live streaming is a very profitable business, and the website I'm about to show you today will pay you up to $1,000 each single month for just live streaming. If you keep watching until the end of the video, I will show you how you can earn more money and increase your potential earnings. So let's begin with the video. Today I will be showing you how to earn up to $1,000 per month by live streaming. The website we are going to talk about today is DLive. DLive is a website where people can stream games or just hang out with viewers, just like any other streaming platform. What makes DLive different is that it is powered by blockchain, and they have their own cryptocurrency which they use to pay streamers. So, how can you also take part and start earning a monthly income? That's what I'm about to show you right now. First, you need to make an account on DLive. It is really easy to make an account. You can either sign up using your email address, or you can sign up with your social media accounts. After you sign up, you should be able to access your streamer dashboard, and that's where you can configure your stream details like stream title, category, stream language, and much more. Although this website is heavily focused around video games, you can still host live streams where you just hang out with your viewers, so you don't necessarily need to be a gamer to be able to earn money from this website. Now that you know what is DLive, let's talk about how you actually make money from it. You see, on DLive you earn a sort of currency called lemon currency. You can earn lemons while live streaming, and the main way to get them is through viewer donations. And no, donations on DLive does not work the same way as they do on Twitch.tv, because your viewers won't need to pay you a dime to donate to you. In fact, you as a streamer have the option to open chests on stream, and when you do, every viewer will get an amount of lemons to his account. The chest system works in a way that the more viewers interact and engage with your content, the more lemons that chest is gonna give. So it is a win-win situation where your viewers will get lemons that they can either cash out or donate to a streamer that they like. And why not you? Keep in mind that in order to cash out, you need to have at least 4,260 lemon, and you need to stream at least once before you can cash out. The rates of lemon to dollars changes from time to time, so always make sure to keep checking to stay updated. So, now that you know how to earn money from DLive and possibly earn up to $1,000 per month, we should talk about how you can actually double that amount and earn even more money each month. To achieve that, you should start using the traffic you get to your stream to earn more money from a set of different income streams. So, what are those income streams that I am talking about? Well, there are a lot of income streams that you can implement that it becomes impossible to cover them in one video. But I will try to list most of the popular income streams that streamers are already using to earn a decent income each single month. First income stream most streamers rely on is selling their own merch. You sell your own merch, from t-shirts to hoodies to even mugs. There are a lot of products you can sell to your audience, and the best thing is that it is free to set up your store and begin selling your merch. I will link to a video I made a while ago where I review the website I personally use that will help you set up your store and start selling your designs. The second income stream you can implement is sponsorships. With this method, you need to have an active channel with active viewers, as you need to speak directly to companies to get those sponsorship deals. But once you reach the point where you can get those sponsorship deals, you will be making a decent income from those deals. Some deals might get you up to $100 in profit, but that does depend on your niche and your stream performance. The third income stream you can try is affiliate marketing. You probably already know what affiliate marketing is, but did you know that some streamers, almost 60% of their income is from affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a very lucrative way to earn money online, and combine that with a live stream, getting constant traffic, and you could triple your income. Keep in mind that the money you can make from affiliate marketing will depend on which niche you are targeting. There are some niches where you can earn up to $100 per conversion, but that's because the products you would be promoting are high-ticket products. So, if your objective is to make a lot of cash, make some research to check if the niche you want to target have some high-ticket products or not. The fourth income stream is the opposite of affiliate marketing, where now you would be selling your own digital products. In affiliate marketing, even though you can earn a lot of money, you still need a huge number of conversions to see any decent profits. But if you do decide to sell your own product, you will be keeping most of the money and generally earning more with each conversion. When it comes to selling digital products, there are a lot of things you can sell to your audience, be it a course, some design assets, your digital art, even a membership. With digital products, the sky is the limit. Whatever you can imagine can be turned into a digital product as long as it does bring value to your audience. So, live streaming can pretty much be a very lucrative business if done correctly. I hope you got an idea of how to start earning money through live streaming, and that you will be willing to actually take action and start streaming, because the biggest problem is not knowing what to do. It's about not taking action and letting fear control your life. If you want to know more methods to earn money online, then click the card in the right hand corner and check the videos where I talk about some of the methods to earn money online. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos like this, where I try to help you earn more money and live a stress-free life. See you in another video.